This guide will help you enhance the server timeout settings on your Steam Deck for improved performance. Follow these simple steps to adjust the timeout settings effectively. Step 1. Access the Steam Deck settings. Navigate to the main menu and select the settings option. This is where you will find various configurations for your device. Step 2. Locate the network settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to find network. Click on it to access the network-related configurations, including server timeout settings. Step 3. Adjust the timeout settings. Within the network settings, look for the server timeout option. Here, you can increase the timeout duration to prevent disconnections during gameplay or downloads. Step 4. Save your changes. After adjusting the timeout settings, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the screen and click it to ensure your new settings take effect. Step 5. Restart your Steam Deck. To finalize the changes, restart your Steam Deck. This will apply the new server timeout settings and help improve your overall experience. By following these steps, you should see an enhancement in your Steam Deck server timeout performance. Enjoy your gaming!